What's good, bro? This video's for you if you're currently talking to a girl that you're trying to escort with. I've just got a bunch of things written down, and these are very helpful because I've did these myself and they've worked very well. I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm not one of these YouTubers who take ages to start. So the first thing is stop being scared. I don't know about you, but whenever I used to be around girls, I used to be so anxious and nervous. And if you didn't know already, girls can tell if you're anxious. They can tell if you're scared just by your breathing. So if you've got shallow breathing, they can tell whenever you're talking to them that you're nervous. So how do you stop being scared, bro? You literally just breathe deeply. I don't mean that. I mean like breathe down to your fucking balls, bro. Breathe all the way up. Breathe all the way down to your balls, bro. So what you gotta do is you gotta make that like a habit. You gotta make that around women and just by yourself. You gotta like be breathing deeply a lot of the time. Like if you have anxiety, this will like literally calm it down by like 80%, bro. I'm telling you. I used to have anxiety myself around girls and even by myself. The second thing I've got written down here is kind of like a sign, like a tell, right? What it is, you can kind of tell her energy. See if she's warm and she's nice around you, then the possibility is there. Think about it like this. A girl who doesn't want you to smash is not gonna be like nice and friendly around you, is she? She's gonna be quite resentful and quite like, you'll get away from me. That is what most girls are like if they don't want you around them, if they want you to smash, right? So if she's actually quite warm and motherly around you, she's quite like nice to be around, she's asking to do things for you, she's asking to see you, then there's obviously a possibility of her like wanting this to smash, bro. If she currently doesn't act like this around you, I can help you out with this for the rest of the stuff I'm gonna say. And the first thing I can say to help you with that is to make good impressions. So essentially what you gotta do is you just gotta keep on making good impressions. You gotta like, bro, you kind of gotta make it obvious that you're fuckable, if that makes sense. And how do you do this, you may ask? What I'm gonna say to you, bro, I hate whenever guys do this. See, whenever guys are corny, for example, I was at the gym last week and there was a girl like at the right towards me, and then there was a big group of guys, about 5 of them, right? And they just start like shadow boxing each other and start trying to like put each other in headlocks, bro. It's so fucking corny. Do not be that guy, bro. Do not be that guy that's pulling fucking combos in the middle of the gym, trying to impress that fucking girl that's not even looking at them. Stop being a corny guy, bro. Be a man, bro. Be relaxed and be reserved, bro. Do not be that group that's like pure putting each other in headlocks and shit, trying to do all like extravagant shit. Like stand your ground, have chest, stand, good posture. If she looks at you, don't immediately look away. Keep eye contact with her and make her look away first. Because bro, I've had girls tell me that like looking away like as soon as they look at you is corny as well. Girls find a lot of things corny, so most likely what you're doing to try and like attract her is corny. Do not be that guy, bro. Just do your stuff. If she looks at you, look back at her and make her look away first. Be a man, bro. And just a quick side note, see if you're currently in the friend zone, right? Don't continue being in this friend zone. You gotta get out of it. End the friendship, bro. Make it clear that you're not trying to be her friend. But girls, if they don't like you, they will literally string a friendship on for so long, bro. So if you're currently in the friend zone, let's literally end it there. Make it clear. Make it clear what your ambition is. And that kind of leads me on to my next point that I've written down here. Do not drop hints. Be like straight up, bro. Say you want to go on a date with her. Say you want to take her out, bro. Stop giving these little hints. See, what I will say is girls are quite smart in some areas, but they're quite oblivious in a lot of different situations. So if you generally say to her that you just want to go for lunch, you're not trying to take her out, you're not trying to make it romantic, you're not trying to like escort out of the friend zone, she's probably going to think that you're not bringing her on a date, you just want to go out for lunch. So you need to be straight up. Do not drop hints, bro. Be assertive, be dominant. Just make sure whenever you're being straight up, do not be corny, bro. Like don't go like, oh yeah, you're really cute, I want to take you out and something like, bro, that's cringe, bro. Do not do that. Literally just, bro, this is the best thing you could ever say to a girl to get out of the friend zone. Literally just say this: I don't want to be your friend. And then she'd be like, what do you mean? And then that's whenever you come in and say, I'm trying to be more than your friend, bro. That is literally the best way you could ever do it, man. I've done that a couple of times with a few girls that I've liked, and I was kind of in this friend zone. I managed to get out of it by doing that. That's so simple. All you need to do is do that, bro. Trust me, that works. So yeah, stop dropping hints, bro. Just be straight up. Girls like someone who's direct. They don't like someone who's trying to beat around the bush, like I said in a couple of videos ago. And then we kind of get onto the other side of this, like say it doesn't work, like say you said to her, I don't want to be your friend anymore, I'm trying to be more than friends, and then she rejects you, right? Bro, do not continue being her friend, bro. Girls will literally string it along for as long as possible because girls have a lot of benefits when it comes to friends. Girls are absolute masterminds at controlling people, bro. A massive example of this is that one girl who has a friend that drives, and I'm telling you, I've talked to girls who have done this before, right? Not to me, but they've had like a friend who like drives, and they've literally said to me, oh yeah, I tell him I like him so he can drive me about. But bro, if you get rejected, don't continue the friendship, just end it right there, bro, because you'll literally get strung along. You'll get used for a lot of different things. Now the biggest reason why people get rejected is because they're too feminine. And my last thing on this list, the last thing I've written down here is have masculine traits. If you don't know what masculine traits are, it's basically just high testosterone, bro. If you have high testosterone, you will naturally have masculine traits. So masculine traits is like good posture, bro, fucking deep voice, eye contact, not being a fucking pussy. That is literally what having masculine traits is. You know, having wide shoulders as well. I'm kind of getting there right now. That is what masculine traits are. So you need to have these. Don't be feminine, bro. I've said this in one of my other videos, my most popular video. I've said this. Don't be feminine. If you have super long hair down to here, bro, if you want to actually get a feminine woman, bro, you need to shave that shit off. It's literally only these TikTok girls and the immature women who like people with long hair down to here, bro. I'm telling you, because that's all I attracted whenever I had long hair. So if you don't want to be put in the friend zone and you want to attract feminine women and not these like TikTok girls, bro, have masculine traits. How do you do that? Get more testosterone. I've got a video on that if you want to go watch it. I'm gonna be nice and tell you one of the things that I said in that video, bro. Literally just stop drinking out of plastic, bro. This bottle here is fully rubber. That's a rubber bottle, right? That's got no estrogen on it. Plastic has estrogen. I'm not gonna get into. You can go watch my other video. But yeah, that's essentially it, bro. Have masculine traits if you want to like not be put in that friend zone, which is the hardest thing. That is so hard to get out of the friend zone. But if there's generally no way out of the friend zone, you've tried all of these tips, every single tip I gave you today, and you're still in the friend zone, just end it, bro. Do not continue because you will literally get used. I'm gonna give you one more as well because you stayed this long. This is very special. Do not have a friend vibe. I'm telling you now, if you want to fuck a girl, bro, if you want to make her sexually attracted to you, not attracted to you, I mean sexually attracted to you, like she wants to fuck you, bro, you need to come with sexual energy. You need to look at her deep in her eyes. You need to talk slow. You need to deepen your voice a bit. Do not break eye contact. Keep on talking to her. Keep on looking at her. Ask her a deep question that takes a lot of thinking, right? And while she's saying all this, you look at her as if you want to fuck her. Just say in your mind, don't even listen to what she's saying. Just think in your mind, I want to fuck you, bro. Trust me, if you do that in your mind, you will literally give this romantic gaze. You will give this loving gaze that she'll see. She'll notice it and she'll become more sexually attracted to you. That's the top secret of this. And if you stayed this long, you've not got the attention of a goldfish. So you will actually make a lot of progress compared to these people who just clicked off in the first 2 minutes. But don't come with no friend vibe. Don't like be asking these bland questions, these brain dead questions. Obviously, it's good to ask these brain dead questions if you've not seen her in a while. But see, every single time that you like meet her, do not ask her, oh, how was your weekend? How was your day? What did you do today? That's so boring. Ask her questions that she can elaborate on and then just look at her while she's talking. Like, do not break eye contact. It's difficult to not break eye contact, right? But do not break eye contact. Just keep on looking at her with a thought of like, I want to fuck you. And bro, this can work for like cold approaching as well. Just ask her a question that can take like 20 seconds for her to answer. I guarantee you, bro, try that today, man. On my life, try that today and you will notice her like, you will see her notice it, and I guarantee you will get her number, bro. And not only will you get her number, you'll probably make her want to fuck you as well, bro. But yeah, thank you for staying this long, man. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe, you can like boost it into the algorithm by liking it, blah blah blah. Have a nice day, make sure it's productive, and love.